Hi, this is Shawnee from Green Acres Nursery Supply. Today we are going to be doing DIY pumpkin succulent centerpieces. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to put the moss on the pumpkin. Spray it with adhesive. Then I'm going to take the dirt off of the succulent, get as much as you can off. And then we're going to hot glue gun the roots. Ready, and then hot glue it again. The great thing about succulents is you can break them apart. If there's a little bit of dirt showing, it's okay because you can put more moss over it. The succulents typically like quite a bit of light, so I'd put a bright and direct spot and then go ahead and mist the moss about every other day probably. Alrighty, and then once you're done with the pumpkin, you can actually take off the succulents and they'll have roots already on them. And you can go ahead and put them in a pot or whatever you'd like to do with them, and you'll have all these different varieties.